Do you know the trick to root two-digit numbers really quickly and how this trick works? Let me show you.
Nice.
To do our root trick, what we do is we think about the closest square number to this number, which in this case would be 9. 9 plus 3 gives us 12. Then what we do is we root this number, 3, plus we carry this number down, but then we divide by double this number, 3 over 6, which is a half. 3 plus a half is 3.5, or 3.5. But how does this work? On the board, I have what's known as the binomial expansion formula, which can easily be derived through differential calculus. And it allows us to expand any bracket to any power, provided that the power is either an integer or a rational number, meaning fractions. For example, here is its use with expanding 1 plus x to the power of 2. So n equals 2, and it simplifies to 1 plus 2x plus x squared. Now, let's look at our root function. Now, to root a number is the same as raising it to the power of a half. So, for example, root 12 is the same as 12 to the power of a half. So I've changed my expansion to n being 1/2. But because it's only an approximation, I'm only going to go up to 1 plus a half x. I'm going to ignore the terms that come afterwards. So my expansion is approximately 1 plus 1/2 x, and I have to rewrite 12 in this form. The first thing I need to do is rewrite 12 as the sum of two numbers, which we chose 9 plus 3. Then remember our power half. The next thing is, can you see this is a 1 and this is a 9? That's not good. What we're going to do is we're going to factorize out the 9, and when we do that, we need to divide both of these terms by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 3 divided by 9 is 1/3 to the power of a half. Now, one thing you have to be careful of is when you factorize with a power, you need to maintain that power. And this is why we choose a square number, because we can root 9. It's 3. Now, using our binomial formula with the 3 on the outside, we get approximately 3 lots of 1 plus a half of x, which is 1/3. Then when we multiply the 3 in, we get 3 plus the 3 and the 1/3 cancel, and we get a half, which is approximately 3.5.
Nice.
Follow me for more content like this.
Nice.